Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. In my video today guys, I'm just going to show you a quick way how to upcycle or to make a tea light with some beautiful, I have eucalyptus, I have some bushes, and I don't remember the name of it, but I'll leave a link of all the items that I've used today. So you will need 2 hangers, or you can use one. You'll need a tea light holder, some pliers, and definitely some wires. So I went ahead with one of the wires, with one of the hanger, and then just measure it out around the tea light holder, and then just use my bigger pliers to cut it down to size. Guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and share. And if you're returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm cutting it down to size just to make sure that it fits perfectly around it. And also you want to leave a little bit of a gap or a little bit of space, because you will be twining it with the wire, and also you'll be adding the flowers. So just make sure it's not too tight. So just give it yourself a little bit of space. I picked up this wire from Sam 99. It was £1. And the tea light holders, again, I picked them up from Sam 99. They were £1. I saw this tea light holder with the flower decoration in Primark, and it was £5. And also I saw it in Home Bargain. It was £5. I saw it in TK Maxx, and I think it was £6.99 or somewhere around that margin. But for mine, it only cost me like £2 or less than £2, because the only thing which is in value of the pound is the vase, the tea light holder. So you want to start on one end, and then just make sure that you wrap it as neat as possible and tight as possible, and then pull the next end to you, and then start wrapping it so you get like a neat flush and it doesn't bubbled over or pushed over. Check that your size is okay, and check that you have enough space. I picked up these eucalyptus from Primark. They were £1.50. I think there was about 10 or 11 strands of flowers on there. So I just picked up 5. I arranged them into so I wanted them to look a lot more fuller, so I just pull them down onto the stem and then just get them there. I didn't cut the stem because I needed to go around the wire that I've created. As you can see, I just use it to wrap it around. As you go around, make sure you use your pliers just to hold down any wire which is sticking out, so that you don't hurt yourself. And use your hand definitely to fluff and put the flowers in place as to how you want them to sit. Once you're happy with the way the flowers are, you can just arrange them a little bit more, and then just try it out again just to make sure that it fits in. I did this with my tea light holder, and it was fine. After this, I decided, okay, it looks a little bit, the flowers look a little bit, like they would fall off. So what I did, I went back in again with some wires, as you can see, and I just clipped off a little piece. I didn't need much because I'm just holding down the flowers which is there, and then I just start securing it more. For this step, you could definitely also add some green jute or the natural jute just to hide the wire. I plan on doing it afterwards, but definitely you can use the green jute or the natural jute just to hide it and give it a little bit of a more realistic feel and a lot more neater, rather than having the wires being exposed. I will definitely be doing that. So this is my second tea light holder that I'll be doing, and it's the same process that I went ahead with. You can use as much flowers as you would like, but definitely just try to remember the height of the flowers, because you will be using a candle which is lit, or you can use the LED candle. But to be honest to you, I'd prefer to use the light candle, or you can use a scented candle which give it a better ambiance, a really nicer feel. And I think it would look a lot better with a real candle. So once I finished that, I just fluffed it out, tried it back again, and then here we go. Definitely this is something that you need to try. And you know, just to make sure, as I said before, just to make sure you have a little bit of space to work with, because you will be adding the flowers. And then this is what it looks like on my console table. Guys, if you haven't seen the video where I've made this console table, please click on the link below or click on the banner which is up in the corner. And then this is what the eucalyptus one look like. As I was saying to you before, guys, as you can see, if you look really careful, you can see it's a little bit shabby, but that's what I was saying. If you use the jute and twine it up, you would make it look a lot more neater, and it wouldn't look lumpy or unprofessional where the lumps are showing. I mean the wire. So definitely use some jute to twine it up. And I did like autumn one, which is coming up right now. Yeah, I did an autumn one. I only did one because, you know, definitely it's coming on to summer. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for checking out my video, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.